Mabuhay everybody, welcome to the Art of Sir Eden. Now first things first, to all of you who gave their support and their trust to me, to my skills, to my network, and to this channel, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Shishi, kamsahamnida, sukaran lak, terima kasih, dhanyavad. Into all language, thank you so much for your support, and forgive me for not pronouncing it right. Whether you're a subscriber or you just watch one of my videos, this is for you. You guys are awesome. 2020 has been rough to the whole world, but I gotta say, this year has been this channel's year. A lot of support came in. I had a chance to work with awesome brands like Ulanzi. You guys are the first ever in the history of this channel who gave a chance to review your product, and it really helped me and this channel. So thank you very much, Ulanzi. Next is Saramonic. Because of you guys, I learned a lot about audio, and through that I made a few videos of your products and gained a lot of views that helped people and this channel as well. So Saramonic, thank you. Next is OC Tech. I am deeply grateful for your trust in my skills and my reputation, to me as a person. Your products are amazing, and the OC-T5 monitor made my filmmaking go up to a whole new level. And through that support that you gave me, I am continuously learning and developing a more professional output. For that, thank you so much, OC Tech. And of course, to all of my friends at LensGo Microphones, I couldn't express my happiness for making me one of your brand ambassadors. It is an honor and great privilege to represent your products, and because of your support, I'm able to do things beyond what I could do before. And rest assured, I will continue to do so. Your trust and effort is my pride, and I'm hoping that this will continue to be a long-term partnership. So for everything, LensGo, thank you so much. Now I know my goal this year was to reach 1K subscribers. However, we're kinda a bit short of 60 subscribers. But man, what we got here is a lot of subscribers from where I started. So for all my current subscribers, I am grateful for your continuous support. And this 2021, for sure, 1K is a hit. This is just the beginning, guys. Fly with me all the way, and I know this is not gonna be easy, but let's enjoy the ride. And to my fellow content creators who have been there to support me and give me ideas and uplifting word of advices, I learned a lot from you guys. Thank you so much. And so to my current subscribers, these guys deserves your support too. Syro TV channel, Glenn Upgraded, Ryan Odenshal, JM Segundo, S Films PH, and to all of local content creators who inspired me and supported me, thank you so much. To my friends who are subscribed, I know some of you aren't techie, but still you watch my videos. So thank you for that and for your support. Sorry for sending it over to Messenger every time. Sorry, ang kulit ko. And of course, to my family and my beloved parents, thank you for supporting my talent. And to my beloved wife, thank you for your support and for letting me do what I love. You guys are all my #1 supporters. I love you all. And to my creator, thank you for this talent and skill that you gave me, for all the opportunities, and to the upcoming ones. Thank you so much, Heavenly Father. I am nothing without you. And to all of you guys, thank you again. I will continue to make more helpful videos for you guys. So see you soon. Again, This is the Art of Sir Eden, and together, let's explore, learn, create, and share this 2021. Happy New Year! Kuya Sir, out.